What's going on, guys? Nate from Sony here. Today I'm going to show you how to connect the subwoofer on the HT G700 soundbar. The first thing you need to do is make sure that everything is plugged in. I know that sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how many issues are fixed by making sure everything is plugged in properly and powered on. On the front of the G700 subwoofer, there's an LED light. That light will be red when the subwoofer is plugged in but not connected. As soon as you plug in and turn on the subwoofer, it should start pairing with the soundbar. When the LED turns green, that means that it's paired. The LED will be green, not amber, when paired wirelessly, without having to do a manual link. If the subwoofer does not pair, then power it off and then on again, and it should pair automatically. Now, if that doesn't work, there are some steps you can take. Let's go over the steps now. Step 1. On the G700's remote, press Menu. The word Speaker will appear on the front panel display. Step 2. Press the up or down arrow button to select Speaker, and then press Enter. Step 3. Select Link, and then press Enter. Step 4. Select Start, and then press Enter. You should see the word Link flash on the front panel display. Step 5. Press the link button on the back of the subwoofer. The manual link starts. The power indicator on the front of the subwoofer will flash in a green color. Step 6. When Done appears on the front panel display, press Menu. The link is now established, and the power indicator of the subwoofer will be a solid green. And just remember, if the word Error appears in the front panel display, that means the connection of the subwoofer has not been established, and you'll need to perform the manual connection again. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you connect the subwoofer to your HT G700 soundbar. If you have additional questions and would like to speak with a Sony representative like myself, make sure to check out the link in the description below. It'll take you to our one-on-one consultation program. And again, I'm Nate from Sony. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.